Good day. Do you know how to read this multiplication sentence? That will be our lesson for today.
All the time, math. Numbers, I see numbers everywhere I look. Price tags, speed limits, calendars, and books. How much money have you saved? How many kids at school? Now add them all together.
Okay, kids, listen carefully about my instruction. I will read the sentence first, and then you will follow after. You will hear the sound indicating that you will start reading. But before that, I will introduce to you on how to read multiplication sentence. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. The other way of reading this multiplication sentence is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Instead of is equal to, you may use equals. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now it's your turn to read after me. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 9 times 8 is equal to 72. 9 times 5 is equal to 45. 9 times 4 is equal to 36. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. 11 times 8 is equal to 56. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. Eight times 8 is equal to 64. 88 times 0 is equal to 0. 854 times 10 is equal to 8,540. $964 times 5/10 is equal to 482. $246 times 5/100 is equal to 12 3/10. $488 times 25/100 is equal to 122. $450 times 1/2 is equal to 225. $24 times 10 times 1/2 is equal to 120, or it can be said as 120. $76 times 100 times 1/2 is equal to 3,800. One-third times 1/2 is equal to 1/6. Two-fourths times 1/2 is equal to 2/8.
Math is so much fun for everyone. Math, yeah, math. Numbers, symbols, shapes, and signs. We use math all the time.